हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल विदेश वाला। तो आज की वीडियो हम स्टूडेंट्स की फेवरेट वीडियो कह सकते हैं बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट स्कॉलरशिप। वी गोना टॉक अबाउट scholarships in France, both government as well as private university scholarships. So let's get into it. The first scholarship which we're going to talk about is the France Excellence Eiffel Scholarship Program. अब ये scholarship एक government scholarship है and it's both for masters as well as PhD level. Masters के लिए ये monthly allowance provide करते हैं of 1,181 euros and for PhD level they give 1,800 euros monthly. Besides this, they provide international transportation, national transportation, insurance services, housing services and cultural activities too. Also, इस scholarship में this IFL program आपको फीस डिडक्शन नहीं होता है, आपको ये सब जो मैंने सर्विसेज बताई वही मिलती है. देयर इज नो एक्सेम्पशन इन फीस एज सच. सो द नेक्स्ट स्कॉलरशिप विच वी गोना टॉक अबाउट इज ऑल्सो गवर्नमेंट स्कॉलरशिप ओनली, नोन एज चारपक स्कॉलरशिप. एंड इसमें आपको क्या क्या सर्विसेज मिलती है? सबसे पहले आपको 860 euros का मंथली अलाउंस मिलता है अलॉन्ग विद अ लॉट ऑफ सर्विसेज. यू कैन चेक इन द स्क्रीन फॉर दैट. They help in student visa, also fee waiver if you're planning to study in France, along with some reimbursement if there is any, social security, and also provide assistance in accommodation. Moving on, let's talk about eligibility criteria. अब इस particular scholarship के बहुत सारे eligibility criteria होते हैं. You can check the screen for that. Moving on, the next scholarship which we're going to talk about is ISA Supero University Scholarship. As the name suggests, it's not the government scholarship, it's a university, private university scholarship. So let's talk about the benefits कि ये scholarship में आपको क्या मिलता है. तो firstly, it's a fees waiver, आपको fees में reduction मिलता है. Secondly, आपको 5,000 euros का per year का monthly allowance भी provide किया जाता है for a 2-year program. Now, this program is applicable for which courses? You can check the screen for that. They are applicable for aerospace engineering, space studies and aerospace management. Also, अगर अपन डेडलाइन की बात करें तो 2024 में 27 नवंबर एंड हर साल अक्टूबर नवंबर में ही इसकी डेडलाइन होती है. Moving on, the next scholarship which we're going to talk about is EDHEC Academic Excellence Scholarship. अब ये scholarship both merit based students को मिलती है और need based students को मिलती है and इसमें आपको 50% fees reduction मिलता है. Along with this particular scholarship is provided for students for masters and especially अगर वो finance and business administration background के हैं तो. For this year the deadline is 23rd June and हर साल इसकी deadline जून में ही होती है. Jumping on the next scholarship which is International Scholarship at Grenoble University. इसमें both PG and UG programs के लिए 10,000 euros तक का fee waiver होता है and इसकी डेडलाइन हर साल जून एंड में होती है. The next scholarship which we're going to talk about is SmartSub Scholarship of Excellence at Paris Cité University. अब इस scholarship में स्टूडेंट्स को 10,000 euros तक का फाइनेंशियल एड प्रोवाइड होता है. एंड ऑल्सो काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स को मिसकंसेप्शन होता है अबाउट दिस स्कॉलरशिप कि आपको स्टाइपेंड के फॉर्म में मिलता है, बट नो, इट्स अ फाइनेंशियल एड फॉर योर फीस. Moving on, let's talk about the eligibility criteria for this scholarship. You can check the screen for that. So the last scholarship which we're going to talk about is Empire Excellence Scholarship at NSJ Lyon. तो ये scholarship है master students के लिए available for international students especially who are planning to pursue their career in this university. And the amount of this scholarship is around 1,000 euros per month. So I covered some of the major scholarships in France in this video. So that's all for today, and for any other query you can comment us below and call us for a free counseling session on these numbers. And don't forget to follow our Instagram channel. You can see the username somewhere here. So thank you for watching.